Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, February 3rd. This is David, and let's take a look at the S&P 500, which, as it has been for a couple of months, is remaining relatively attached to this 5925 Voodoo Fireline. Remember, these are the most important of the Voodoo line's levels, and which side of this line the S&P 500 ultimately chooses will tell us a lot about what the trend is. But for the moment, what we haven't seen is what we've talked about needing to see in order to perceive a direction, as we've flitted to either side of this line a few times. And what we've said is we need to get through one of these minor levels, not just through it, right? We ran up to it at what was at the time an all-time high in early December before we came back, came down to a minor skyline here sort of mid to late December, here in January, got through it. But what we never did to the downside is run into resistance below that level. Similarly, when we popped above here in late January and then again late last week, again, never found support to new highs at or above that level. And that's why when we were able to give up this level, came right back down to that magnetic fire line. So, so continue to keep an eye on these levels, right? They can be short-term support and or resistance. So watch to see which side things choose, but keep an eye on this fire line level. Bouncing from it has the potential to send us back up. So that's why you wanted to know this level coming into today's low. We talk about it here in these videos all the time. I talk about it in the rooms as well. And know what we need to see in order to keep things heading up. Right now, so long as we hold support, the fire line is the short-term over-under, but unless we get support above one of the skylines, there is still the possibility that while we are over this level now, we could be under it tomorrow. So that's what I've got for now in terms of what to watch here. We'll go into more detail of, about how to adjust the odds sort of minute by minute in the premium video. But that's what I've got for the quick update for now. I will see you next Monday. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.